Monster Mutt Spin Master Monster Jam Series 27. Monster Mutt in Retro Rebels, the bonus is Dirt Ramp. The other trucks in this series is Avenger with the two-tone paint scheme, Boogie Van for the first time ever as a die-cast monster truck, Dragon, then we get the 40th anniversary of Gravedigger, the chase piece of True Heavy Metals of Megalodon, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Son of a Digger, and Excalibur. So we're gonna go ahead and check out Monster Mutt. Before I unbox this one of Monster Mutt, we're gonna go back in time, and this is the first edition of Monster Mutt back in 2004 from Hot Wheels. Now there is a hair and a no hair edition. This one has hair, as you can see, from front to back. I didn't know that there was two different versions. I just was doing some research before doing this video. So this one has hair. The other one picture that I did see, it had hair up front, but back here it didn't have any. So that's the first time I didn't really know that there was two editions like I just said. But here it is. Get a close shot up. No tail, as you can see. There's the collar. It says Monster Mutt. And the name of the truck. The ears are down, but there is no really detail on the ears. There is its teeth. There's the Hot Wheels logo right there, which is kind of interesting that they put it right there. There are dots, and those dots are supposed to be like where the whiskers would be coming out on a dog. And there is the tongue sticking out, and there's the nose. So, and then there is also a picture of Monster Mutt, and he was number 3 back here in 2004. And let me show you the front of the card. So let's go ahead and move on. Now this is from Hot Wheels here, and this is the newer look of Monster Mutt, and this was from 2017 look. So Monster Mutt had a lot of different changes. I didn't get a Monster Mutt out that had a look like this back here, but as you can see, that this was the newer updated version of Monster Mutt that Hot Wheels tried. The ears are down. You see a lot of hair detail. The ears are actually a little bit short. We'll then bring in here, and you can see that Hot Wheels didn't have a tail on Monster Mutt. So I always thought that the mouth was kind of, at first I thought it was pretty cool back then, but now looking at it, the mouth and stuff was really off. And let's go ahead and move on to Spin Master, who then took over in 2019. And here is Monster Mutt. And we get a tail. Very cool. Bigger teeth. You can really see the teeth. And nice look of the teeth. The ears, though, were up in the air, like flying up in the air, which is pretty cool. But, you know, I kind of like them down, and we're going to show you one version of that as well here. And there is a tongue, the nose, and we get those dots where the whiskers are. So don't want to put a lot of time into the older versions, but I just wanted to show you. So one more here in 2021 is with the ears flopped down. Really like that. I'm glad that they did this version for Monster Mutt. And you can see the eyebrows and everything like that. So let's go ahead, and we're gonna unbox this version, old school, of Monster Mutt right now. There is the ramp that we get. Put that aside, and we get gray wheels and a gray base and a black chassis, which is all right with me. And we're gonna zoom in here for a little bit here. And look at this, we get the Master Mutt, the name, the collar, the Monster Jam logo right there, a nice looking teeth, very cool. And then coming forward here, so this is representing a 1950 Mercury body. There we have the nose, the mouth, I mean not the mouth, but the tongue. They use the same tongue as the other ones, I believe. Let me just check here. Kind of looks like it. It's a little bit different. So yes, it is a tad different. The mouth, the tongue, and we can see the kind of the lights of the Mercury body right there, and those dots for the whiskers. And also look at the cut of the windshield, and also the other side of the windshield. And we get a nice look at the collar coming around, and look at that, the tail, that's awesome. And then we have the collar. Let me see if I can bend this back. Monster Jam World Finals Freestyle Champion. Hopefully you can see that. Very cool to have that. And look at that. This is very nice how Spin Master has done this. The tail has texture to it. The ears have texture also to it. This window is actually cut here, the back window. So I can, there is no plastic windshield back there. Same thing with the sides. The only plastic windshield is in the front. So there we go. And those lines are just there for the nose, the snout, I should say, for the dog look. Very cool. I'm very glad that they came out with this Master Mutt. And hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for tuning in.